Hi friends, this is Jess, and this week I've got a product demo for you to show you our new product. They are called Simmering Granules, and what they are is a natural salt with fragrance added to them as a safe alternative to anyone who has pets or small children, and a liquid wax like in a melter wouldn't be a safe thing to use if kids get their hands in them or a cat knocks them over. So this is just my burner. You can use an electric burner as well. I'm just going to demo with this burner and light my candle underneath. And all you do, I've got two sizes. I've got 100 grams or 350 grams. And I just chose two fragrances to demo for you. Cinnamon vanilla, because it's very, very popular. And a cute Easter one called Bunny Burps, which is like a rich, sweet chocolate. And on the back, it tells you what they are. There's scented salt crystals, and then it tells you to put them into a warmer, and enjoy. And they're very, very fragrant. So I'm going to open this up for you and show you how simple this is. So when you open it up, you're going to see the natural salt crystals, and they will have candle fragrance in them. So I don't recommend touching them with like your hands initially, because they will be full of fragrance, and if you do, just wash your hands. It's not a big deal. But you know, if you don't want to have fragrance smelling hands, don't touch them. Pour them into your burner as much as you like. You can literally do a little bit, see how the fragrance is, or pour all of it. And just to show you how much is in one. And if you want to like stir them around, just use like the end of a matchstick instead of your fingers, or just like the carton like that, whatever works for you. And that is the product. It's so simple. It is absolutely delicious. It's natural. These will just dissolve. The salts will dissolve after the fragrance has evaporated into your home, and they last a really long time. I demoed this for my home, and the fragrance was about 3 days before I couldn't smell it anymore. So that's wonderful, and I hope you like them. They're very popular in Europe. They're also called salt sizzlers. I've just decided to call them Simmering Granules, and they come in these lovely bags. And I'd really like to know what you think about them, and I can't wait for you to try them out for yourself and to have a really sensational smelling home. Have a great week. Welcome to March, and I will see you soon. Bye.